will see the organization and methods to study the metabolism. First, introduction to metabolism. And here, what is metabolism? And here we will see the metabolism. It is a network of the metabolic or biochemical reactions, and it carries the out in the living cells. We organize the integrated and regulated manner, and various biomolecules like carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleoproteins are also present. Here metabolism involves the interconversion of the chemical compounds in the body. Metabolites processes are transformed to end product via many specific intermediates. And here metabolism is the sum of the chemical changes that converted the nutrients to energy. Here chemical complex substance of the cell into the simple forms, and chemically simple substance into the functional complex biomolecules. Here we will see the sun is an energy for life. Phototropes, that means what? Plants. And heterotrophs means animals. Plants uses the light to derive synthesis to organic molecules, and the animals are uses to as a building blocks CO2, O2 and H2O or recycled manner. And here we will see the cycle. Here respiration. Respiration means what? Intaking of the oxygen, and that H2O and CO2 is sending to the plants, and the energy is releasing to the humans, and that energy is sending to sunlight through the photosynthesis to plants, and that plants are producing the carbohydrates and O2O. And here we will see the importance of the metabolism. Normal metabolism is vital for the health, growth, reproduction and good survival human beings. And here role of the enzymes and hormones in metabolism. Enzymes along with a coenzyme biocatalyze specific metabolic reaction. Thus enzymes are functional units of metabolism. Hormones are chemical messengers of the human body. They are regulated of enzymes activity. Next, enzyme reaction are organized into distinct pathway. Metabolite. Metabolite is a substrate or a reactant undergoing a biochemical or metabolic reaction. Here we will see the metabolic reaction. Metabolic reaction is a biochemical reaction where the metabolite is specially reacted by an enzyme and coenzyme to give product A to B. Here types of the metabolic reaction. Reversible reaction, same enzyme is required, not regulated steps. A to B. Irreversible reaction. Next, irreversible reaction, different scent of the enzyme is required, non-equilibrium reaction, regulated steps. C to D. Here types of the biochemical reaction. Oxidation, dehydrogenation, hydrolation, reduction, hydrolytic, carboxylation, decarboxylation. Here phosphorylation, dephosphorylation, ammoniation, deammoniation, isomerization, hydration, dehydration. Metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway is a series of a well-defined and significant biomolecule reaction followed one after another, giving intermediate products and finally end product of the pathway. Here we will see the A is the predecessor of pathway, and C is the intermediate pathway, and E is the end product of the pathway. In that intermediate pathway, B, C, D is present, and the predecessor pathway A only present, and the end pathway E only present. Organization of pathway. Pathway consists of a sequential steps, and the enzyme may be separated, may be form the multi-enzyme complex, may be membrane bonded system. Newly research indicated that the multi-enzyme or complex are more common to than once through. And here we will see the multi-enzyme complexes E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. These are multi-enzyme complex. and here separate enzymes E1, E2 and E3, E4, E5. See this, they are separating with each other, and here membrane bonded system, they are bonded with each other. Here bonding is present, that E1, E2, E3, E4, these are bonding with each other. Multi means so many, like that they are present. Here we will see the organization of the pathway, closed loop, intermediates, recycle. Here two types, linear and spiral. Here linear means the product of the reaction or substrate for the substance reaction, and spiral, same set of the enzymes are used repeatedly. And here we will see the compartmentalization of the metabolic pathway. Cytosol is present, and next mitochondria matrix, and interplay of both compartments. Here we will see the cytosol, glycolysis is occurs, pentose and phosphate pathway, fatty acid is synthesized, and in mitochondria citric acid cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, B oxidation of fatty acids and ketone body formation. And here compartment, glucogenesis, urea synthesis is occurs. Here compartmentalization of the pathway permits the integration and regulation of the metabolism. Here types of the metabolic pathway, catabolic or degradative or energy generating or ATP producing pathway or exothermic, and next anabolic or synthetic or energy utilizing or ATP using pathway or endothermic. Here catabolytic pathway involves the oxidative reaction reducing equivalents like a NADH plus H plus and FADH2, and catabolic pathway converts the to Fu and products. Anabolic pathways diverge to synthesis many biomolecules. Here we will see the energy yielding nutrients like a carbohydrates, fats, proteins are converted into or releases the energy poor end products like a H2O, CO2 and H3, and these are catabolisms, and that releases the ATP, NADP and NADPH, some chemical energies. Here precursor molecules or amino acids, sugars, fatty acids, nitrogen bases like a these anabolisms or releases the cell micromolecules like a protein, polysaccharides, lipids, nucleic acids, or requires the NADPH and ATP, some chemical energies. And some pathways survive the both the catabolism and anabolism, those are amphiloic pathways. Here we will see the phosphoryl group transfer. Here phosphophenyl pyruvate is converted into ATP, and phosphocitrinate is converted into ATP, and the ATP is converted into glucose 6-phosphate. Here higher energy compounds are present, and here lower energy compounds are present. Regulation means stimulation and inhibition of the pathway as per a cellular need. Hormones are regulated the metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathways are regulated to allow the organisms to respond to the changing the condition. Derangement in metabolism. Any defects or derangement in normal pattern of the metabolism leads to metabolic disorder. Mutations in genes of enzymes form defective enzymes. Congenital defect of enzyme leads to inborn errors of metabolism. Inborn errors of the metabolism. Congenital deficiency of the any single enzyme of metabolic pathway leads to inborn errors of metabolism. Here enzyme deficiency of the metabolic pathway block the metabolic reaction and block the metabolic pathway and accumulates the intermediate product of the pathway. No formation of the end product of the pathway affects other interrelated metabolic pathway. And finally, methods used to study the metabolism, metabolic reaction, metabolic pathway were studied. using whole organism cellular fraction, using metabolic probes, using radioisotopes.